Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Here is Paulo Biasoli from FxVIP. Today is going to be an analysis that we have and the account management that we're going to run, and we're going to publish some of the clients' performance that got managed by our experts in FxVIP. Okay, this is the web platform that we have, and today we're gonna look through the news that we have on 25th July. We got some news for you here. The news for Brent and oil prices, and also you could have seen it on the websites on FxVIP. Market news, you would have all, and then below you can see the crude oil technical analysis that we have on the price. The price could continue the trend for 66.17, and another down level will be 63.96 up to 64.26, and alternatively the daily trend might increase to 72. So we have a break time, so you can see the trend line and the resistance that we have. On this platform we are going to just mention in full screen, you see. So the client name is Camila D'Alefa. The balance is 9,600 and something, and the availability is the same, as we don't have any open orders. Today news influences crosses for oils and Canadian dollars, so I just create a group and we identify the crosses that would be good to make and send an order against the Canadian dollar. So I've chosen US dollar with Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, pound sterling and Canadian dollars, and Switzerland's franc, and we have the crude oil futures for September 18. As you can see from the chart, I predict for today is that the news would not supply the buyer in the market, and we are expecting to have a drop in the market. So here you can see that USD CAD already dropped. It happened, you see the price, it's at 2 GMT. It happened 30 minutes before the news is released, and we're planning to go long on this currency and this pair. CAD JPY, we're planning to go short, and JP CAD we're planning to go long here, and we're expecting to see the price, the top that we have in 15 minutes period. And for Canadian dollar with Switzerland franc, we are going to go short, and we're expecting to see the price kind of not the 75, 43 or something like that. To see the better the analysis, the main website for economical news is Forex Factory. We're gonna open it. Now you see the kind of a calendar here, and 230 crude oil inventories is gonna be released. As you can see, the forecast is it's going to be bad for market. So we have published the news on FxVIP, and this is a general anticipation for the market that we have. The monthly pivot that is above the price at the moment, and the trend line that is supporting the price to go upward. To make a trade, let me customize the view here. Great. So I've gone on full screen view, and you can see the favorite group that I created by the crosses by Canadian dollar. I'm gonna enter to a sell position with Canadian dollar versus Switzerland's franc. So I'm gonna sell. But as you can see here, the balance is below 10,000. I'm not gonna risk the whole money. I'm gonna engage only 500 euros here, and it would be a practical and logical leverage for this price. So I entered a short for Canadian dollar and CHF. I'm gonna enter a line for JP CAD, and again I'm gonna engage only 350 euros, as I guess JP is not that strong to just push the price that up. I'm expecting. Another position that we are going to enter is CAD JPY. I'm gonna enter short, and JPY is kind of strong, so I'm gonna engage 600 euros here. So the volume is kind of twice more than the previous volume that I engaged for JP. And USD, Canadian dollar, again I'm gonna engage only $300 because okay. And the oil, I'm gonna enter short. Here engaging only kind of 700 euros here, 800. Let me see it better. Yeah, 800 would be fine by us. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, exactly the 800. I'm gonna enter short because we predict the price would drop, as the news is not that good for them. Let's see the open trades. Yeah, they're all in minus logically. And you can see the prices here, the profit, the commission, swap that still we don't have any sell. Yeah, good. So KCHF is going to enter and give us some profit for us. But the total balance for us is minus 50 euros. So we're gonna say goodbye for this time, and then see what the reaction for the market would be after that. Okay, hello, here we're back. Then time is 15:05 GMT, and you can see the move on the market here and the orders that they are in. Yeah, good profit for us. Totally we have around 600 euros profit we made for today, and we're gonna see how it moved. You see, from the top that we sold and we went on short, we had a good reduction and good drop on it, And US dollar and Canadian dollar, you see we had a good upward trend, and for the oil now it's came back, USD Canadian upward trend we have. For CAD CHF we have downward trends, a good profit is made for us. And now, yeah, they are all in green.